Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can mine XRP on PC. So just a quick reality check. You cannot mine XRP on a PC or any device because XRP is not a mineable cryptocurrency. But I'm going to show you on how you can trade or buy XRP on exchange. So this is just a method. So first, you just have to buy XRP directly if you're interested in holding or trading. So first, sign up on a crypto exchange like Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, or Bitstamp. And then after that, just complete the KYC verification and then fund your account via bank or card. Then you just have to buy XRP and store it in a wallet. So that's pretty much it. Since we cannot mine XRP, those are just the one method that you can buy or trade XRP. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.